Welcome to another edition of Finance with Fred. My name is Fred Said. Today I'm talking to all the investors out there. And the question I have that I want to answer for you today is whether or not I should hire a property management company for my investment properties or whether I should just manage them myself. So you want to look at three basic things in regards to answering that question. Number one, what is my cash flow percentage on a monthly basis? The reason I ask that question is because you have to pay the property management company a percentage of your monthly rent as their fee. On average, property management companies charge anywhere from 5 to 10% of the monthly rent to manage the property, take care of it, etc., etc. So you want to see if you have that cushion to be able to afford that or if it's going to kill your cash flow. Number two, you want to look at the proximity of your physical location and where you live and operate and where the property is. If it's out-of-state property investment that you have, obviously hire a property management company because you can't manage it out of state. If it's 50, 60, 70 miles away, I recommend hiring a property management company because it's too far away to manage and it's a hassle in my opinion. Or if it's right in your backyard and it's 5 or 10 minutes away, then you might want to manage it yourself because you can drive there in 5 to 10 minutes and handle any tenant concerns or repairs. And then number three, you really want to look at why you bought this property and whether or not you actually physically want to manage it. Meaning you want to become a handyman, you want to fix any issues whatsoever, you want to hire a handyman to do it yourself, you want to answer any tenant concerns, questions, etc. So it's a pretty big deal to deal with on a monthly basis whether you have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 tenants. So you want to look at number one, how much cushion you have on your cash flow and whether or not it makes sense to pay for a property management company every month. Number two, the distance of that investment property to your proximity. And then number three, whether or not you actually want to physically manage it and become basically a handyman. So hopefully this gives you an idea of your scenario and whether or not you want to hire a property management company or you just want to do it yourself. And I can dig deeper with this with you individually if you contact me anytime 7 days a week at 949-272-0125 or visit our highly reviewed website at www.bestocproperties.com to view any investment properties in Southern California. And more importantly, tune in next week for another edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.